Back in action. We just put up 4 little short rafters. We just crawled down, by the way, too. I think we got started like around maybe 10:15ish, and it's about midday, 12:30. 12, 12 midday, so it's about 12 and a half right there. We just crawled down. We had to reach over here, put up a hat channel, put up the 4, and then we go on the other side and show you. This one we had to stretch and put it beyond the board right here. We just had fun today. We had to drill the brackets. They were all pre-cut from the last time. We cut the angles over here. We drilled over here, put all the holes as best as we can, and run bolts into the rafters and then hand them up. So once we went up there, we didn't have to come down, but then the battery died on us, so we had to crawl back down and did. We had to take a water break, so now we gotta go do some lunch. So now I'm walking downstairs, getting ready to go enjoy a nice meal. We had tacos for breakfast. Someone took the bag off of there. Good luck, I said, let me check, because it's going to be blown all over the place. Secure your trash. Give a hoot, don't pollute. Let's help beautify and purify Belize. Put trash in its rightful place. Set something heavy on it. Prevent it from happening again. This walkboard up here, we had to put 2 of them. We got to take some of the decking we had here, and then we had to put it there. And the hoists, because we had to pull it into square. But yeah, 4 little rafters and 1 hat channel. Took us 2.5 hours. Make sure you put your tools in the shade and stuff, man. Avoid keeping them in the sun. The hot sun do damage the parts. Oh, this is not my project. I'm just out helping, giving a helping hand. Assistance, was offering assistance. Add color to your life. Add color to your life. That's the market. Lowland Bridge is down there. It's the Macau Park over there that the camera's pointing at. Put my friendly happy mug in there. Once again. Okay, about to go enjoy some tasty delicious lunch. And it's kind of funny, this is summer and also wet season as well, and it's hot. I mean, the sun is not like, you don't, some days you can feel it in your reflection, your eyes are squinting, but no, it's just a normal day, but it's hotter than a normal day. Hygiene is important. Before eating a meal or touching food, please wash and clean your hands. Pull the water in moderation as well. You don't have to have it on full blast. Clean hands. Give thanks for the food or the blessing. Always express gratitude for anything and everything that you enjoy. Even opening your eyes and rising and enjoying the day. Yeah, so now I'm tracking down my fam, my cuz. I went to the wrong spot. Okay, so it's so hot today, and then I haven't washed my hat in a while, so They were inviting me and taking me to lunch for AC room. I'm like, I'm gonna sit in the hot sun. I'm gonna sit in the yard in the shade now, because I'm not gonna want to work after that. I'm not gonna treat myself to something like that and come back. Like I said, it's hot. I mean, normally you feel it where we're working. We're working up there, and it's like you're squinting your eyes, and you're just trying to find a safe, secure spot to just get comfortable, and there's no rescue from the sun. But today it's not like that, but it's just melting you. So while I go pick up the food, I'm gonna rinse my hat and put it out to dry. It normally dries by the time lunch is over. I don't know if that's an option anymore. I can't find the brush that I used the last time. Oops, there we go. I just saw it. And there we go. I'm gonna wash it. Yeah, I haven't washed it in 2 weeks. I normally run the water first and then wash off the brush, scrub it if there's anything bad on it, try to get it off before hitting my hat or my clothes, my sneakers, sandals, whatever I'm washing. Finish. I'm gonna put it out in the sun. Trying to find the hottest location and hottest spot to set it so it gets maximum sun and dry. The last few times I set it on the metal purlins or on the sidewalk. I took a quick shower fresh. That helped a lot. Cooled my body down. Just to show you, this is not a hot spot anymore. So now I'm gonna walk and go in a different direction and place it somewhere else so it can dry. Gotta go back. I forgot my water bottle. Making my way back again. Brain is fried. Currently in the twin tongue of San Ignacio and Santa Elena in San Ignacio. Another location for it to dry. I learned and I found out that when they paint the trees, it's not just the paint. It's also help, like the sun can also damage the bark. So say this outer layer gets damaged by the UV rays and it starts to die. The sun can also damage the other UV ray. Same with humans, how we get sunburn, right? So this helps with like reflecting the sun so it doesn't damage the underbark that's coming, and it helps with certain times of the day the sun hits it hard, and that's one of the reasons why certain palms and certain things die. So it's a system that they use to help keep the plant alive. These are critical to have indoors and outdoors. They absorb all the negative chemicals in the air. They help purify the air, especially when you have them indoors. You can keep them in your bedroom and your kitchen area. Add some color to your life. Flavor up your food. I think those are called sour orange. Basically, it's the size of an orange, but it's very bitter and sour like a lime or a lemon. Mango season is here. Avocado season is going on as well too. I think better shot, right?